Hi, I'm Shayne from MIMICO, and today we're going to take an in-depth look at the CASE TV370B compact track loader. This vertical lift machine has been designed to provide you with reliable, comfortable and efficient operation across many tasks that we face in New Zealand. The TV370B is powered by a 3.4 litre 4-cylinder FPT engine delivering you 74 horsepower. To support demanding work, the cooling package that covers your engine and hydraulics has been designed for performance and easy cleaning. This machine has a really impressive lift capacity. 1,682 kilos is the rated operating capacity at 50%, with a full tipping load of 3,364 kilos. The breakout force is rated at 38.2 kilonewtons, making this machine ideal for digging, loading and material handling. This particular CASE machine has a standard flow hydraulic system of 92 litres per minute with an optional high flow of 142 litres a minute. That makes it the perfect tool to operate your brush cutters, mulchers and cold planes. Additional to that, you have a CASE drain and also the electrical port to run some of your work tools. The TV370B has a rigid dozer-style undercarriage. This system is well known for its durability and lower costs compared to a suspension-based system. This undercarriage provides strong traction and stability and is perfect for those muddy, sloping and gravel surfaces. The undercarriage width is 450 millimetres wide, which brings our machine to a weight of 4,520 kilograms. The TV370B has been designed for a vast array of different applications, offering you reach, dump height and ground clearance. This makes it perfect for everyday jobs that we face in New Zealand. With the machine safely locked out, you can see we have an impressive 3.3 metre hinge point. This makes it ideal and a solid foundation for truck loading and lift and carry applications. For clearance and access, the machine sits at 2.04 metres to the top of the rocks, and with a bucket installed, an overall length of 3.59 metres. The cab on the TV370B is ROPS and FOPS compliant with comfort and function in mind. This cab features a fully sealed and pressurised environment. This reduces debris and dust inside the cab, which is ideal for long days on the job. At nearly 3 feet wide, this cab offers class-leading space and visibility. The wide opening door makes entry and exit really easy, especially for operators wearing PPE and work gear. Inside, the upgraded HVAC system delivers fast heating and cooling, and the optional heated seat adds comfort during cold starts and winter mornings. Sound insulation and ergonomic layout reduce operator fatigue, while conveniently placed cup holders and phone trays, USB Bluetooth connectivity add practical comfort to this machine. Controls are centred around the intuitive 8-inch LCD display. This gives operators fast access to diagnostics, machine settings and camera feeds. Operators can have the freedom to toggle between ISO and H patterns to their joysticks. You can adjust your electro-hydraulic responsiveness and save customised profiles for different jobs and user preferences. Electro-hydraulic joysticks are responsive and smooth, allowing for precise movements whether grading, lifting or manoeuvring around tight spots. Looking after the TV370B is easy with all of the daily service checkpoints located behind the heavy-duty door. This means you don't have to crawl around looking for them. There's no need for tools to get to filters or to be able to clean your cooling system in this machine. It's designed for fast, simple maintenance, whether you're in the yard or on site. Because of the emission system on this machine, you don't need to worry about cleaning your DPF and there's no SCR to manage, meaning you can just get straight to work. Thank you for joining me, Shayne, on another CASE machine walkaround. If you've got any other questions about this particular machine or any other of MIMICO's lineup, please give one of our friendly staff a call. We look forward to hearing from you.